Welcome. Welcome back to my channel Conquer the Fear. If you are a Spring Boot developer, chances are that you have already visited start.spring.io more than you can count. Sick of clicking through the drop down on the Spring Initializer every time you wanted to create a new project? What if I could tell you your entire Spring Boot setup can be done like exact dependencies, Java version, Spring Boot version, packages structure can be created using the single no nonsense terminal command. Now, welcome to the power of Spring Boot, Spring Initializer along with the curl. Whether you are scripting your project setup or you just prefer the command line, this method is the fastest, reproducible, and fully customizable way to create the Spring Boot project. I can guarantee that 90% of the developers are not even aware of how this simple method it is. Without wasting your time, let's jump into the video. Now there are different ways to create a Spring Boot application. You must have already been knowing. Okay, the very first command or the very first way is the curl command, which I am going to show you in this video. The other ways are going directly to the starter spring.io website. Okay, that's a tool where you can actually go and then you can select those particular thing and download it. Third is use in your favorite IDE, one of let's say IntelliJ, right? In that itself, if you are using any of the Ultimate Edition or any other community, I think Community Edition doesn't have this, but the Ultimate Edition has this particular feature of directly creating the project from itself, right? So I don't think so. You will find the first method anywhere in any of these videos, but yeah, creating the Spring Boot project using the curl command. Now, if you see here, I've given the curl command with the website it is going to refer to, and then you'll see what kind of project it is, the language you've chosen, the Spring Boot version, the Java version, the dependencies what you want to add in the project, the name of that particular application, the group ID and the artifact ID, and packaging what how it should be, and then the zip file. Now once you run this particular command on the this one, you will be able to download that particular project locally, and from there you can actually import that project into your favorite IDE. We will look into the exact way how, I will show you the exact way to how to download that from the curl command, and also I will show you where exactly it get downloads, and then we'll be able to open that project in the internet. Before going to that, I would like to show you the exact details. Now we already saw that full command of creating that particular Spring project using the curl command. Now if you already know, if you wanted to let's say you want to skip something, right? You can actually have this particular different parameters, so it will automatically choose and create it. But yeah, if you see, the first thing is type of the project. Now you can choose Gradle also, you can choose Maven also. The language, if you have to choose, like there is a Kotlin is there is a Groovy is there. Now I've chosen Java over here. Spring Boot version, now this must be the latest version. I have just given, for an example, I've given you the 3.2.5. The When you might be watching this video, the version might be a little bit different. 17 version of Java. Now there is already a latest version available later than 17. Make sure you are adding that particular thing. Dependencies, definitely based on your, some of them might only require web, some of them might only require data spring data JPA, S2, or any other tools, right? Any other starter dependencies, right? It based on that you can add it, the name of the application, the group, artifact ID, and how you want to package your application. Okay, you can also create that particular project. Okay, I hope this particular things are very clear to it. Now let's jump into the code. Now we have opened the command prompt. I'm going to paste the simple command over here. Okay. Now you can see the starter, dependencies, demo, and the application name. And when I hit this particular thing, it will be able to download in this particular location. Now I've opened this particular project inside the IntelliJ. Now if you open this particular thing, you will be able to see the artifact ID details, the name of the application, etc., right? And you will be able to see the Java version over here and the dependencies over here. Okay, I hope you will be able to understand how to create that particular project and how to import that particular project using the curl command, and how simple it is. Okay, thank you for watching.